That shiny, that is a shiny monkey. How you doing, buddy? Get in the ball. Yeah. Alright. Now how do I submit again? I didn't realize I'd find one literally 2 minutes into stream. I kind of thought that the shiny hunt would be harder, but I guess in a small area doing it like this works perfectly fine. So let's go get a reminder on how to do this. Oh. Wait. Yeah? Pause.